Good morning, everybody. It's NJT Amtrak Guy. Today is April 2nd, 2015, and I'm here once again for another World Trade Center update. So yep, everything looks good as usual, and it looks like that's the start of Tower 3 right there. I think that's its crane. It should be. Wow. Well, yeah, it looks like Tower 3 is really starting to rise up. And the site continues to develop every day. So, yeah, let's go around and see what's going on. Pretty sure there's a lot to see. One World Trade Center. There's the start of 3 World Trade Center and 4 World Trade Center. Yeah, we got kind of a windy day today, but I'll do the best I can with that. Again, today's April 2nd, 2015. Let's go. Okay, I am near Liberty Street and South End Avenue, and sure enough, that is 3 World Trade Center. World Trade Center is on its way up, and sooner or later it will pass 4 World Trade Center. Alright, this is Liberty Street and West Street. Yep, take a look at that. 3 World Trade Center is on its way up. There's new steel installation on the podium floors. The concrete core is moving up. And yep, finally, after about a year and a half or 2 years delay, it's finally on its way up. Truly amazing. Tower 4. So yep, 1 World Trade Center standing there completed. And this is a residential building. Truly amazed, and I'm happy to see Tower 3 start up. Alright, here it is again. 1 World Trade Center, Freedom Tower, 7 World Trade Center. There's the Transit Hub, 3 World Trade Center and 4 World Trade Center. Alright, West Street and Albany Street. Yeah, it's windy today, but I'm gonna see what I can do. It's 1, 7, 3, and 4 World Trade Center. Washington Street. 17, the Transit Hub, 3 and 4 World Trade Center. Glass is completely filled in on Tower 4. Here's Tower 3. Greenwich Street. Alright, I'm inside the memorial again. There's Tower 3. World Trade Center. I'm pretty sure by the end of summer, Tower 3 is going to be a quarter of the way up. There's the Transit Hub. Tower 3. Pretty soon the Transit Hub will get some windows installed.